Click on multi-part nesting. Click on Load the setup from a CSV file. Select CSV from folder. Enter assembly multiplier, that is how many assemblies required. Select material and thickness. Parts have now been imported with quantities. Select imprint reference or order number if you want this etched onto the parts. To nest, select Calculate Nest. Radtube has calculated nests. Click Nest all pipes to see results. Select folder for nests, and give the nests a name. Radtube is nesting parts, tooling and adding etching. Multi-part nests completed. I'll select Nested to view. Zoom in and you can see parts are nested, tooled and etched. You can see order number 008 has been etched. Radtube has rotated paths for best fit on the pipe.